Welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Sunday, May 28th. It is 4:34 p.m. here in the Arizona desert. And today I thought it was going to just be another low volume day for crypto, but it has not turned out that way. So let's take a look. As always, Bitcoin Daily View got more for you there. All right, looking at the crypto universe in squares, mostly green today. Bitcoin up 4.63%, hitting 28,000 plus. That is amazing. And some other coins in dark green for sure. Cruising along. What is our Bitcoin trading volume right now? Get this guy to refresh here. Okay, well that tries to refresh. Let me go over here to what are our 1 hour and then 24-hour liquidations. So liquidations for the past hour are 64 million. That's quite a good deal. So, and how does that break down? Longs 6.5 million have been wiped out, and shorts 58 million have been wiped out. So that's pretty heavy. Definitely shorts got surprised. Well, that's what you get. Anyway, 24 hours. It's only 116 million. That's actually not too high. It's just that the last but so much that was in the last couple hours though. So longs 14 million wiped, shorts 100 million wiped. So basically about half that 24-hour liquidations happened in the last hour. So that's pretty wild. Anyway, cryptometer.io sometimes just craps out on me, does not want to refresh. So we'll just look here. And last 24 hours, we have 41 million, up 58% last 24 hours. That's massive. I would be, 5 million would be kind of a lot for a weekend. But we're at 41 million. So definitely people are buying some dang crypto. And this is, I'm sorry, that's the SHIB explicitly. Wait, you know what? That's got to be Bitcoin. I can't. Oh, SHIB, really? SHIB is at 41 million? That's a lot. People are buying the crap out of SHIB. Sorry, I kind of want to look at Bitcoin here. This guy won't refresh though. Sorry, I think cryptometer.io is kind of flaking on us here. Sorry about that. Sometimes it just dies, especially when the market's busy. So, anyway, longs versus shorts, how does it break down right now on Binance for the big volume is 55% long, 44% shorts. The shorters have learned their lesson today. Also for Ethereum on Binance is 53% long, 46% short. So looking at this guy right here, as you can see, this is a 15-minute chart, 15-minute candles. As you can see, the last like 15, 20, 30, an hour, gosh, the last like 2 hours, especially about an hour and a half ago or so, has just been devastating for shorts. That is a massive amount of shorts. So first we had a little bit of a pump here, or kind of a big pump, kind of got Bitcoin moving for sure. Shorts got wrecked, but then I guess they just got too sparky, thinking, yeah, it's going to retrace after that. And well, the whales played their asses pretty bad, and it cranked. It just pumped like crazy. So massive shorts. There's a $4 million liquidation right there. Boom. Well, that's the way it goes. Always be careful shorting and longing with shorting and longing with leverage. It can go wrong on you. And who the crap at this moment was shorting 4 million in this market? I'll tell you, you might be a small guy just trading with $100, but don't think that you're not smarter than this dumbass here. It's shorting with 4 million in this market right there. He shorted right into a pump. What the crap, dude? Anyway, you see, cynicism does not win in the end. Anyway, looking at, let's see if I can get this to refresh here. Refresh. You're having some browser issues here, so sorry, I can't really refresh this, but it's going to be pretty darn close. Anyway, most of the exchanges still, this is kind of funny. Sorry, guys, if my I think my internet is a little funny right now. Either it's gotten slow or my computer's halfway crashing. So we'll find out. We'll see how this actually records. But so far, I'm not seeing any warnings from StreamYard that my internet connection is not working so well. So most likely my browser is going potty. So sorry, I can't refresh this. But I just fired this up. Too long ago to be certain. I bet these are in the green. Sorry, having some computer issues, but we're going to just keep on cruising through. I won't refresh this because it probably won't. So anyway, but definitely earlier in the day, about an hour or two ago, I did see that the market's looking kind of wonderful here. Top 100 mostly in the green. Some making nice moves like Radix up 10%, Injective, whatever that is, up 12%. Oh, INJ. Okay, I only know it as its ticker. Yeah, that one does get sparky. So in general, we're looking wonderful. I have never seen, what's this one here? GGTKN, whatever that is, up 7.9%. So we definitely have some alts making moves. Cardano up 4.4%. I like seeing that. Doge up 1.1%. How's SHIB looking? SHIB up 2%. It's kind of nice. Anyway, Bitcoin and Ethereum both up, more than 4% last 24 hours, and that's really nice to see. Bitcoin coming in at 28,104. That's really wonderful. This is a very strong move. I don't know what's causing it, to be honest with you. I really don't. Looking at my nice 45-minute chart, I love my 45-minute charts, as you can see. Around it's been Saturday around like 11, right around afternoon. Bitcoin made a move above the 200 moving average, and I thought, okay, this is good. I did not expect what happened, and I guess the shorters didn't either. I mean, yeah, I saw this happening. This was right around like around 11 a.m. on Saturday yesterday, and then by around like 2-3 o'clock, we were seeing this nice move up, and then it really started going. And I mean, I thought that we probably were going to just kind of like range right here or something. Maybe that was what was going to happen. But that's kind of a nice move, and where we're at does match previous support and resistance in the chart. And I thought, yeah, okay, cool. Good day. It's moved up a little bit. Boom, nice to see. But this is insane. So Bitcoin recently has gone nuts. And it's nice to see. And if we look, yeah, it's all logical. I mean, we are playing with, looking at where we kind of found some resistance right there. That's previous support resistance in the chart. And then looking again, you can see we're right now kind of hanging out with his previous, support resistance in the chart. We kind of went up to here where you can see previous support resistance in the chart. So maybe we are, bouncing at, we'll just see what happens, but Bitcoin's pumping. Looking at the ADX and the directional index. Directional index is beautiful in the green. ADX, I need to fix this where it's white rather than black. You can't see it, but the ADX is way up here. So Bitcoin looking wonderful. Not really seeing any signs of it slowing down. I mean, it's at a logical level where it may, but we'll see what actually happens. Let's actually go full screen on this. Let's go to a daily chart. Woo! Let's try and get some of this. Go like this. Boom. There we go. Let's pull some time in here in the daily. And something I'm very curious about is how this pans out Fibonacci sequence-wise. Go way back to like March of 2020, where we visited the 3K world for a while. Go back to that beautiful, up to that beautiful high we had before. Let's move this forward a little bit so we can see. Interesting. Okay, so I like what's actually happening here. This daily chart. So we've kind of been riding this. So this is a 618 golden pocket. And we've kind of been at the bottom of it. So we've kind of been ranging within the 618 golden pocket, if you think of it that way. And it looks like we're making a nice move off the bottom of the 618 golden pocket. I like that. We made a strong push. So really, if we can get back above the 618, on top of the 618 Fibonacci sequence area, so that 618 fib is 28,000. A little bit bigger. It's 28,647. So definitely, really, if we could, we're very close to that. So if we can break just kind of get into like the 28,800 range or so, just get above the 618 and find some support there. As you can see, Bitcoin's tried recently. It's kind of burst above, but couldn't hold it. Burst above, couldn't hold it. So let's see if we can make it this time. Or above the 200 moving average. It's looking wonderful. One thing I do like is that we have done our time kind of in this sort of bit of a lame Bitcoin, price action recently. I mean, I know it's one way to look at it. It's not necessarily lame. It's just, but we did make this beautiful daily 200 moving average bounce. Cross came above, bounce. That's kind of natural. We've been doing our ranging here in the 618 golden pocket. So it's all about, is it going to break down or break up? So we've been ranging sideways. We're making a strong move up. Will it hit that 618 and stay there or not? I mean, looking at like the short time frame of like the 45-minute. Actually, let's look at the 4-hour chart. Very, very important. 4-hour chart. Yes, this is a big deal. This is a real big deal. So on the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin has broken above the 200 moving average in a 4-hour chart. That's really, really powerful stuff. So let's all watch this 618 fib level. That I'm pulling in a lot of history here, looking at that. Let me go to a 3-day chart. Let me pull that in. Crap. Sorry. I still got to renew trading view. Let me go to we'll stay weekly. It's fine. Get rid of. Go back to this. Okay. Go back to the weekly. It's kind of easier to see. So anyway, like I say, we go back to March of 2020 when we visited 3K. You can see this beautiful fib sequence that we've got going here. We're in that golden pocket. It's all about, we're going to, this week, the candle is going to end soon. It'd be nice to close on a weekly green candle towards, breaking above this 618 golden pocket. So this is pretty powerful. It's nice to see. So this week's going to close probably with a very powerful green candle. Let's hold that, and let's see if next week we can break the 618, and we'll see how it goes. Bitcoin's certainly been trying for a while. One of the reasons why I'm a little bit, why I think we really might see an uptrend start now is this is weekly 200, and as you can see, we were getting ready to break below that weekly 200. We wicked above it, below it. We wicked below it twice recently. So this candle this week wicked below it, but now we're having a strong push. So really, let's see how this pans out. Bitcoin is giving it a shot. If we keep the volume up, if interest stays up, I mean, it's a holiday weekend, and maybe people will see this happening and then hop on Memorial Day. Maybe we'll go into next week with people seeing the green candle that closed this week, and if it continues to have some sparkiness into the week, maybe we'll see a much healthier price action. I really am just thinking the 618 golden pocket going sideways like this, it's not the most powerful place to be, but we did wick down to the 200 moving average twice on the weekly. And now we're making a move. This 200 moving average, this is a logical place to bounce, and if we look at this weekly wise, I mean, I'm pulling in a lot of time here. I say going way back to 2020, and you look at this fib sequence. I mean, definitely, Bitcoin has, it's given a lot back. I mean, it's given quite a lot back. We're back at November of 2020. I mean, levels. Well, we visited that for quite a while, but this chart looks pretty healthy. Coming down here to the 786, spending some time building momentum, challenging that 618, hanging out in the 618 golden pocket. Bitcoin has been holding on to that weekly 200, and like I say, it did break below it, but now it's above it. Strong green candle. I think definitely if we can this weekend, this long weekend, or going into next week, if we can break above that top, that 618, we're going to be looking incredibly powerful. It's all about, is Bitcoin going to give up and just be kind of flaccid the rest of 2023, or are we going to see some action? We're at a point now which would definitely be a legit place to bounce. Enough's been given back. We spent enough time kind of, cruising back at, like I say, November of 2020 levels here for Bitcoin. And now we're moving up. Let's see what happens. We're stuck in the golden pocket. But like I say, the 786 is a respectable place to bounce, and so is the 618. I think Bitcoin's probably building some nice foundations, some strong momentum. The world is crazy. Not financial advice, but I'm dollar cost averaging in right now. This is where I'm going to kind of start, make my stand. I'm definitely going from stablecoin and USD, starting to move into some glorious Bitcoin, because I think that we might see a run towards the end of the year. We will see. We'll see how it goes. Real quick before we're out of here, let's look at silver. How's silver doing here? Let's go back to a daily candle, though. I'm a crypto trader. I can't think in weekly candles. What the crap? Well, it is Forex. I mean, this is open today, but this is silver not looking too hot. Just a flat day. It's given some back recently. Gold not looking so hot. But both with gold and silver getting a little bit back lately, this is a time where I might go to like the coin store and just buy some silver coins. I like buying silver eagles. Because it's all about what you think is going to happen. If Bitcoin, I'm not Bitcoin, sorry, if silver actually on the daily here, if Bitcoin continues to do well, we'll see how we roll into next week. But definitely, silver's either going to come down here and lose the 200 or bounce, But definitely, let's see how silver does rolling into this coming week. We'll see. Yeah, it's getting ready to challenge that 45-minute 200 moving average. So we'll see how that actually rolls. Is it open? I mean, it should be. This is Forex, right? Silver's open. Anyway, this is traditional market. I guess CFDs really. So I'm not sure how to actually see the metal strike price for the very moment. If anybody knows, let me know how to do that. Anyway, everybody, there you go. I'm going to keep it short. It's a holiday weekend. I wonder how SHIB's doing. SHIB versus USD on Binance. Let's check that out. Nice move up, beginning to give some back. Let me go here. Yeah, if you can see it, so I need to tighten these colors up, but basically, yeah, it ran and it's giving it back. So let's see how this weekend rolls. It's a holiday weekend. Maybe we're going to see some good stuff. I think Bitcoin's in the right place to possibly, as we roll into the week, I myself am kind of easing some dollar cost averaging in. And, if you're into futures trading and you're doing leverage, well, be careful. Anyway, guys, that's it. Thank you for being a Bitcoin truth seeker. Thank you for believing in the optimistic future for humanity. And remember that every Bitcoin Satoshi you own is an absolute statement of fact that you believe. You are visualizing, you're creating a positive future for humanity. That's beautiful, friggin' sci-fi. It's wonderful. We have drones that go out there and like save hikers that get lost. And if you want to check out radiantcreators.com or search for Radiant Creators on YouTube. I just did an interview with Don Shift. We talked about drones. And like he's wrote a new book on drones, and they're way more interesting than I thought. Bit of a crazy prepper kind of chat, but you may enjoy it. And if that's not your taste, if you're more new agey, go down to the next one or so, and that's an interview, a chat with Frank Jacob, and that was cosmic and fun. So enjoy yourselves. Take care. Have a good holiday weekend. Remember what it's about, because we learn our lessons on the tombstones of others, although globalists don't. They just create those tombstones of others. Anyway, take care.